Hey guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Scubapro Seawing Nova full foot fins. So these are, as the name suggests, a full foot version of the Seawing Nova fins. So these are great for snorkeling, but you can also wear them while scuba diving if you don't want quite such a sort of heavy or bulky fin. You can wear these obviously barefoot, and it just means that they're a little bit lighter. You don't need to carry your boots as well. You don't have the sort of straps. They're just full foot fins. So they still have the same hinge design. So the blade is actually separated from the foot pocket, and then you have the hinges in the middle. So these are 4th generation hinges. So they've gone through a lot of different changes over the years. These are the sort of most up-to-date and toughest out there. What these allow it to do is that one, it's virtually flat when it's in this sort of state, so you can still walk around in it relatively sort of easily, but when during each section of the kick cycle, it allows that blade to bend. It's quite hard to do when you're not in the water. It allows the fin and the blades to bend, so it's at a 45-degree angle, so you get the most effective angle of attack, which means it's very effective at transferring energy from your foot down towards the blade and then into the water. So when you first sort of hit the water, they'll feel quite floppy, they feel quite unusual, but you shift through the water very, very quickly. So this kind of wing design acts as a big scoop. You've got all of this sort of channeling effect that channels the water down towards the tip. You've got these scooping sort of fins as well, again catching more water and channeling down towards the tip to force you through the water. You've got a little hanging loop at the top section there, that's quite handy. You have this zone which can sort of technically sort of fall under vented because there's a bit of a dead zone right in front of the foot pocket with most fins. This just eliminates that drag and again improves efficiency. So this is made out of monoprene, which is sort of Scubapro's own sort of very clever space age sort of material. It's a very kind of soft, almost silicone-esque material, very comfortable, even when you're sort of wearing them barefoot. They're quite a snug fit, but once they're on, they're on. You've got this little pull tab as well, which makes it a lot easier to get the fins on. The underside mirrors the top side. You've got a little bit of grip here on the heel, more grip down here, which is sort of underneath the ball of your foot. And these big rails, these are transferring that energy down towards the tip of the fin. You've got a little metal insert in the logo there, which just gives it a little sort of extra flair. Very smart pair of fins. I'd be happy using these both snorkeling and scuba diving. Suitable for anybody really. They're a very smart pair of fins. They're nice and light as well, even in a pair. This is the Scubapro Seawing Nova full foot fin. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.